Howdy everyone, welcome to our Texas-style chat about divorce. I'm Bryan Fagan, your guide through this tricky terrain. Whether you're new here or a seasoned writer, we've got valuable insights to share. Did you know that Texas leads the U.S. in divorce rates? But no need to worry, we're here to help you navigate the Lone Star State divorce landscape. It's a journey that can be as wild as a Texas rodeo, but with the right guidance, you'll be in the saddle for a smooth ride. Before we dive into the complexities of Texas divorce, let me share a heartfelt story about Sarah, a client who found herself knee-deep in a divorce. Her emotional journey mirrors the challenges many face during the process. It's a reminder that divorce is a deeply personal experience, often fraught with a roller coaster of emotions, from anger and sadness to hope for a better tomorrow. I've been privileged to witness the strength of individuals like Sarah, and it's stories like these that motivate me to provide guidance and support during these challenging times. Texas divorce laws come a long way since the late 19th century, when they were tougher than taming a longhorn in a twister. Today, navigating Texas divorce can be still a bit of a rodeo, but with the right insight and knowledge, it's a ride you can master. Now let's get to the heart of the matter. Common divorce mistakes, solutions, and how to avoid them. First off, hiding assets is a big no-go. Courts take a dim view of it and can lead to unfavorable outcomes. So when dealing with property division, it's essential to be transparent and honest about your assets. Be cautious about what you post on social media. It can come back to haunt you, impacting property division, alimony, and even child custody. The solution to these pitfalls are as essential as recognizing the mistakes. When it comes to property division, open communication and full disclosure is the key. Work with your attorney to ensure your assets are accounted for and divided fairly. Regarding social media, it's best to adopt a cautious approach, refraining from venting or sharing sensitive information. Maintain privacy settings and consider the potential legal implications of your online presence. Prioritizing your child's best interests means working collaboratively with your co-parent, focusing on your child's well-being, and maintaining a civil relationship. As we wrap up, remember, I'm here to be your trusted guide through these challenges. We encourage you to share your experiences, your insights, and even the occasional misstep down yonder in the comments below. Let's build a supportive community where we can learn from one another. Stick around for more insights in our next video, and where we'll dive deep into the art of co-parenting, another topic close to my Texan heart. Remember, you're never alone in this journey. The Law Office of Bryan Fagan is here to provide the support you need in navigating the complexities of family law. If you have any questions or require legal assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for a free 30-minute consultation. Please show your support by liking this video, subscribing on our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.